Cessna 52070 in the run-up short of 26 right. We're ready to go right crosswind out Ontario.
Cessna 52070, Cno Tower, right crosswind departure approved. Runway 26 right, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 26 right, right crosswind departure approved for Cessna 070.
All right, all set?
I'm ready.
All right.
Me and my camera are ready.
All right. Sure the runway's clear here?
You want a lot of selfies?
No, thanks. Actually, I did a lot when Joe was flying. I turned it back at us.
95 Delta, runway 26 left, clear for the option.
All right, we're cleared to go.
26 left, clear for the option, 95 Delta.
All right, lights, camera, action. Feet are down, here we go. Hey, engine instruments are good. Airspeed's alive. There's 55. Get off the ground quick here. Positive rate of climb. Engine instruments are good. All right.
Cherokee 369er, frequency change approved. Good day, sir.
Frequency change approved, 369er.
All right, we're maxed out at 2,000 feet.
Cessna 070, contact Ontario Tower 120.6. Good day.
120.6 for 070, and just to let you know, smooth climb out.
Cessna 070, thank you for the report.
070, so long. Ontario Tower, good afternoon. Cessna 52070 with you. Just departed Cno Airport. We're inbound. Request left close traffic with India.
Cessna 52070, Ontario Tower, altimeter 2976, make left traffic 26 left.
Make left traffic for 26 left for 070.
All right, I don't see any air carriers on the runway that just landed, so that's good. Something just...
Yeah, I wish I would have brought my phone because I would have taken a couple pictures and sent them to Haley. Told her I'd like a Coke.
Yeah, Chuck doesn't have very good service up here. All right.
Hey, I think I told you.
Cessna 070, runway 26 left, clear for the option, left coast traffic approved on the go.
Clear for the option 26 left, then left close traffic approved on the go for 070. Wind check.
Wind 27013, you got 21.
Thank you. All right, there's the runway.
I always love it when I'm driving right about there and then one of the big guys goes over the top.
I got a great shot of that the other day. I just kind of, there's nobody behind me, so I just kind of slowed down. All
Yeah,
right.
I've done the same thing.
All right, we're gonna go 65 all the way here. 26 right's closed.
And
It looks like they're out there doing the rubber removal. Yeah, this runway looks much better now.
wow, there's only one plane on it.
At the terminals?
Yeah. I don't know about the terminal up here, but this one down here, there's only one.
Did not want to stall. All right, flaps are up. There we go. Airspeed's alive. Positive rate of climb. Engine instruments are good.
Cessna 070, runway 26 left, clear for the option.
Clear for the option 26 left for Cessna 070.
All right. There's 10 degrees. Yeah, that rubber did good coming off. I think they just did that last week. They got to do it like I think about every 45 days or so.
Oh, really?
Yeah, they're traffic is really going up here. Come on, buddy, let's get over here. Now we got a little sync ring going. Flaps are up. Here we go. Nose is finally touching down. Alright, there's the airspeed again. Alright, positive rate of climb. Engine instruments are good. Alright, let's see, we'll do probably 2 more, then head over to Riverside.
Alright.
I want to go past, they're doing a hangar project down here I want to get a picture of. I'll extend up a little bit. Yeah, this is about the only, there's a big one right there. Yeah, this is a good window when I looked up on FlightAware. Come on, get over there. There we go. Airspace alive. There's 60. Here we go. Wind's right down the runway though.
Yeah, you can't ask for much more than that.
Yeah, just like nice little chirp chirp. Okay, positive rate of climb. Engine instruments are good.
Cessna 070, proceed direct Riverside.
070, direct Riverside.
Alright, you got the airplane. Just keep it at this altitude. I'll take that from you.
Ah,
You can remember how to do this.
yeah.
Yeah, 2,100 is fine. I would just hold us there. Yeah, that's the benefit of digital cameras. It's... who cares?
Cessna 52070 just departed Ontario Airport. We're inbound for pattern work with information echo.
November 52070 Riverside, tower Int'l, right downwind runway 27, report midfield.
Right downwind for 27 for 070, report midfield.
Ah, I got it now.
You got it?
There, yeah. Now
Okay.
I see it.
Pattern altitude is 1,800.
And wind check.
Wind is 280 at 12.
Alright, trim final.
Cessna 497, square your base, turn to final. There's going to be a Cessna depart prior to your arrival. Runway 27 at clear to land. Wind check is 280 at 12.
Alright, almost right.
Clear to land, 497.
65 all the way.
Cessna 497, you could disregard the Cessna departing. Your number 2 flying a Cessna, just crossing the numbers now. I got the traffic, 497.
Alright, flaps are coming up. Just nose down. Airspeed's alive. Good thing with this wind, you just get right back up in the air. Engine instruments are good, positive rate of climb. All the way in. Okay, flaps are up. Left cross one there. There we go. Engine instruments are good. There's the airspeed. I was getting a little right cross one and then a little left at the end. Huh. But come on, make up your mind. Alright, one more, then we'll head back.
Alrighty. Now, 26 right is
Shorter one.
right of just about, we're just about lined up with it right now.
When able to start the VFR descent traffic, 12 o'clock, 3 miles opposite direction on the ILS to Riverside helicopter 2600 descending.
070, continue to descend.
Okay, so let's go ahead and bring
Cno Tower, Lockheed 138 Alpha Mike Flight 2, set of brackets, 2700 feet, like you were landing, please.
pattern altitude's 1400.
Mike Cno Tower, roger. Start the descent to at or below 2000, please, for an expected overhead runway 26 right.
Below 2000 feet for 26 right, 3.5 Mike Flight
There, go ahead and bring her down.
And 38 Alpha Mike Fighter at the wash, starting our initial.
North American, correction, Lockheed 8 Alpha Mike Flight, roger, break mid. Cessna 070, no delay, turn right taxiway, Kilo, contact ground point 6.
Down to Kilo, no delay for 070.